Right, so this is an easy Leetcode problem, reverse a linked list. And yeah, I really use this part of, or mostly as part of a bigger problem where you need to reverse a linked list somewhere. Yeah, so it's pretty, I guess, straightforward. So I guess the whole idea, or one way to do it, is to have like a previous pointer, um, or a previous node that's null. And then because you want to set, when you get to this first node, you want to point that to null, because at the end it will need to point to null somewhere. And then, and so first, while we're iterating through the list, we'll save the next. That way um, we can, as we're iterating, we can keep going in order. So yeah, and then we'll set the next to the previous, which in the first case it will be null. But then after that, we'll set the previous to the current node. And then after that, we'll set the current node to next that we saved. So that way, and then we'll start the process over. Yeah, so pretty straightforward. So I'll do var temp equals head, and then we'll create the previous node. We'll make it null. Yep. And then we'll just iterate through the linked list. So while temp is not equal to null, and we'll do so first we want to save the next node. So temp.next val, or yeah, next equals temp.next, and then we want to set the next node to previous, or yeah, which in this case temp is 1, or in this example, I guess. And so we're setting that to null at first, but then we'll set the previous to the current node. And then after that, we'll set temp to next. And then we'll start the process over. After all that's said and done, previous will be the new head. So you'll just return previous. Yeah. And so we'll just run the code. I'll use the example test cases as well. All right, and then y'all submit it. So